Dear Mom, I really, really, really want a pair of Adidas NMD sneakers. Everyone at school has them, and I'm starting to feel left out. So I think I'm going to buy a pair. Here's the thing. The style I want costs $170. I know, that's a lot of money. But I've been saving my allowance for months, and now I have enough. When I told Dad how much money I'd saved, he said I should put it toward my college fund. But I don't see why I shouldn't spend my money on something that I know will make me happy right away. I'm going to say that I don't need a certain sneaker to fit in, or that people will want to be my friend because they like my personality, not because I wear trendy brands. I get all that. It's just nice to feel like part of the group, you know? And what's so wrong with wanting to dress like my classmates? Besides, Adidas isn't popular only because its sneakers look cool, which they do. Adidas is a successful brand because it makes great quality shoes. They are expensive, but they're worth it. I can guarantee that these sneakers aren't going to fall apart like my last pair. Sure, those sneakers only cost $30, but after a few months the soles were completely worn down. Something inexpensive if you have to keep replacing it. I hope you'll come around and see that buying these shoes is the right decision. And if you don't, maybe you'll change your mind after you see how awesome I look in them. Love, Eddie.